solve more again 3 problems. So we solve first problem. Solution. What is problem? Find x if determinant value equal to 0. Means already value of the determinant is given, and by using this value we find the value of x. Means first we expand this determinant, and that determinant equal to 0. By using this value 0 we find the value of x. So we take a given determinant of 0 minus 3 x plus 1 3 1, and third row 4 1 5. So this is a 3 by 3 determinant, 3 rows and 3 columns equal to 0, So we expand this determinant by using this first row. How this? So we take first number 0 into minor of this 0. What is the minor of this 0? Minor of 0. Again minus the second number, what? Minus 3 into minor of this second number. Minor of second number minus 3 plus third number as it is x into minor of this x, equal to 0, given already, equal to 0. So 0 into this minor of 0 means automatically 0, because minor of this 0 is any number, suppose, and 0 into any number is always 0. So 0 minus plus 3 into minor of this minus 3 means this is minus 3 second number. So delete column and row passing through this number. So what remaining? Determinant of this x plus 1 and 1, x plus 1 and 1, and determinant of this 4 and 5. Second row 4 5 plus x into minor of x means delete row column passing through this third number x. So what remaining? X plus 1 3 4 1. So first row x plus 1 3 4 1, which is equal to 0, already given. So here is a second order determinant, here is also second order determinant. So we only use the cross multiplication. So x plus 1 into 5, so here is already equal to 0, here is a 0, so only 3 into bracket what? X plus 1 into 5 means 5 into x plus 1, 5 into bracket x plus 1 minus 1 into this 5 means 1 into minus 1 into this 4 means minus 4. This is a bracket plus this x plus this x into bracket again what we get, this number into this number means 1 into x plus 1, again x plus 1 minus this 3 into 4 minus 3 into 4 what, minus 12 what, equal to 0, and therefore 3 into bracket, this 5 multiply to this bracket, so 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into 1, 5 minus this 4, again here is a plus x as it is, this 1 minus 12 what, 1 minus 12 means minus 11, so x minus 11 equal to 0, again we use this 3 into 5, 15, and this x, here is a 5 minus 4, 1 into this 3 into 1, 3 plus x into x square minus x into 11x equal to 0, again here is a x square as it is, plus this 15x minus 11x what, 15x minus 11x means 4x, plus this 3 equal to 0. So here this we obtain quadratic equation. So how solve this quadratic equation? This quadratic equation solved by factorization of this middle term 4x. How this? So we want multiplication 3 and addition 4. So find two number such that multiplication 3 and addition 4. Multiplication 3 and addition 4. So 3 and 1 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 4 and 3 into 1 3, and so that attach here is x, so what our factors? X plus 3, x plus 1, and therefore x plus 3, x plus 1 is the factors of this quadratic equation equal to 0, and this bracket, two brackets equal to 0, and so that x plus 3 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 1 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, and therefore x equal to what? This plus 3 shift to the right hand side, x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 3. This x plus 1 equal to 0, therefore what? X equal to this plus 1 shift to the right hand side, plus 1 become minus 1, so x equal to minus 1. In this manner we get two values of x equal to minus 3 and x equal to minus 1, and we solve this problem. Also second and third problem also very interesting. So first we solve this third problem and then we solve second problem. Okay, so second is find minor and cofactors of elements of determinant I2 minus 3i minus 1. So what is the definition of minor is very important. So first we assume the given determinant is a. So let a equal to determinant of I2 minus 3i and minus 1. So here we want to find minor and cofactor. So first we find minor. This is 2 by 2 determinant. So how the minor? Minor is nothing but determinant obtained by deleting row and a column passing through that number. So minor of A equal to minor of all numbers. So minor of all numbers. So how this possible? Minor of A equal to minor of all number. So minor of I, first we find the minor of I, then we find the minor of 2, lastly we find the minor of minus 3i, minor of minus 3i, and minor of minus 1, minor of minus 1. So you can write this also separate without taking a determinant. So we find the separate minor. So minor of I equal to what? Minor of I equal to delete row and column passing through this number. So delete row and column passing through this number. What remaining? Determinant of minus 1 and determinant of only one number itself minus 1 itself, that number. Similarly minor of second number 2 equal to what? Delete row column passing through this number. So what remaining? Determinant of minus 3i, equal to what? This number itself, because only one number, so minus 3i. Again minor of minus 3i, what? Minor of minus 3i equal to what? Delete row column passing through this number. So what remaining? Determinant of 2 equal to again that number itself. And last minor of this number minus 1. What? So delete row column passing through this number. So what remaining? Determinant of I. So determinant of I equal to again that number itself. In this manner we have find the minor of numbers of 2 by 2 determinant. Also we find the cofactors of these elements. Cofactors, what is the formula for cofactors? Cofactors equal to, or cofactors of this I, cofactor of I what? So this is actually here, look carefully, this is a A11, this is A12, A11 is I, A12 is 2, and A21 what? A21 second row का पहला नंबर A21 equal to this minus 3i, and A22 equal to this minus 1, minus 1, and therefore cofactor of this I equal to what? So minus 1 raised to always what? This power a11. I means a11. So here's the suffix 1 and 1. So add suffix. So 1 plus 1 into minor of this I. Into minor of this I means what? Minus 1 into minus 1 equal to, what is this? 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 raised to 2 means minus 1 square. So square of any number is always positive. So minus 1 square, 1. 1 into this minus 1, again minus 1. Similarly, cofactor of this number 2 equal to what? What is 2? 2 means a12. 2 means a12. So minus 1 raised to addition of suffix a12, 1 and 2, add the 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 into minor of this 2. What is the minor of 2? Minor of 2 equal to minus 3i. So minus 3i equal to 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. So minus 1, 3 means cube. Minus 1 cube. Cube is a odd number. Minus 1 raised to odd number always minus 1. So minus 1 into this minus 3 means minus minus plus and plus 3i. Plus 3i. Again cofactor of third number minus 3i equal to this minus 1 raised to 3i means what? Minus 3i means a21. Suffix is 2 and 1. So add suffix 2 plus 1 into minor of this minus 3i. What is the minor of minus 3i? 2. So into 2 equal to, again 2 plus 1 cube. Minus 1 raised to cube always negative means minus 1. So minus 1 into 2, again minus 2. Similarly, last cofactor of last number minus 1 equal to, again what? What is the minus 1 means? a22. a22. So suffix is 2 2. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 means here is a 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is even number. So minus 1 raised to even number always 1. So into minor of this minus 1. What is the minor of minus 1? I. So I equal to 1 into I. And in this manner we find the minor and cofactors of elements of this determinant. Also we solve this we find the minor of elements of this determinant.
No more spending your energy and money on coaching classes or missing classes for rain, for rally and any other nonsense. Subjects covered by multiple teachers with repeat telecasts. Doubts, concepts, applications, no problem. All explained through great and significant animation. So sit back comfortably in your home and watch Study Spectrum TV channel.
So we solve third problem. Find minor of elements of and cofactors of elements of this determinant. So we start the solution. So first we find the minor of this 9 numbers. So first find the minor. What is the definition of minor? minor of this 1, minor of this 1 equal to, minor means determinant obtained by deleting row and column passing through that number. So here row and column delete from 1, so what remaining? Determinant of 4 minus 2 minus 1 0. Determinant of 4 minus 2 minus 1 0, minus 1 0. So here is also 2 by 2 determinant, so we take cross multiplication. So 4 into 0 0 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, so 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. Again minor of 1, so minor of next number 0, minor of 0 equal to delete a row and column passing through that number. So what remaining? Indeterminate minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 and delete column and row. So minus 3 minus 2 2 0 2 0. So equal to, again cross multiplication, minus 3 into 0 0 minus this minus 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 equal to minus minus plus, so minus minus plus, so only 4, 0 plus 4 4. Again minor of 3, minor of 3 equal to what? Determinant of minor of 3, delete row and column passing through that number, what remaining? Minus 3 4 2 minus 1 2 minus 1, so multiply these two numbers equal to minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 4 8 equal to, is again minus 3 into minus 1, this is a, so minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 and minus 4 into 2 8, so 3 minus 8 minus 5. Again we find a minor of this minus 3, minor of this minus 3 equal to, minor of this minus 3 equal to delete row and column passing through this number. So what we get? Delete row, column. So what remaining? 0 3 minus 1 0 0 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 0. So equal to 0 into 0 0 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Here is a minus minus plus 3, minus minus plus 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0 3. Minor of this 4 equal to, minor of this 4 equal to what? Determinant of delete row and column passing through this number. So what remaining? Determinant of 1 3 2 0 1 3 2 0 equal to 1 3 2 0. Again 1 into 0 0 minus 2 into 3 6 equal to 0 minus 6 minus 6 minor of minus 2. So actually this all minors is denoted by actually this first minor denoted by a11 because this is the this number at the place small a11 and its minor is denoted by capital A11. This minor denoted by A12. This minor denoted by A13. This is the first row because all three numbers are of first row. Second row, so minor denoted by A21 equal to, this is A22. So you can use directly also these notations. If you have not understood these notations, then you can write in also word. So again what, A23 means minor of A23 means minor of minus 2, minor of minus 2. So A23 equal to what? Delete row and column passing through that number. So what we get? This 1 0 2 minus 1. 1 0 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equal to this number into this number means 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 0 into 2 0 0 into 2 0 equal to minus 1 because minus 1 minus 0 means minus 1. Here is also A23 this number. This is the third row start. So A31 third row first column. So this number of the third row and first column. A31 equal to delete column and row passing through this number. So remaining what? 0 3 4 minus 2 4 minus 2 equal to what we get? 0 into minus 2 0 minus 4 into 3 12 0 minus 12 minus 12 A32 equal to what? This is the number A32. So delete row and column passing through this number. So what we get? Determinant of 1 3 minus 3 minus 2. Delete column and row and remaining remaining part. So equal to what? This number into this number. So 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9 equal to minus minus plus. So 9 minus 2 7 9 minus 2 7 and last number A33. So delete row and column passing through this number 0. So what remaining? Determinant of 1 0 minus 3 4 minus 3 4. Delete column and row. 1 0 minus 3 4 equal to this number into this number. So 1 into 4 4 minus the 0 into minus 3 0 4 minus 0 4. In this manner we have find all minors and also we want to find cofactors of this element. So use very simple technique. I will explain this simple technique which is useful for also in 12th standard. So this is a 3 by 3 determinant. So minus already find, so we find directly cofactors. So cofactor, what is the formula for cofactors? Cofactor of this numbers means cofactor of Aij equal to cofactor of Aij, formula is cofactor of Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into minor of this Aij. Minor of this Aij means minor of this number Aij. So here is a when you put the suffix means A11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23 and last row 31, 32, 33. Here is a alternatively positive, negative 1. So firstly we in first row we obtain plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. For second row minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. For third row again plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. So only attach the sign positive, negative to this answer, you get the all cofactors. So cofactors is denoted by suppose Mij. So Mij means suppose a cofactor of this first number 1. So here is a m11 equal to, here is a first 1, so 1 into minor of Aij means minor of 1. Minor of 1 means A11. M12 means next number plus 1, this is minus 1 into A12. M13 means cofactor of third number, cofactor of this third number equal to this minus 1 after 1 into A13, cofactor of this number 3 means A13. Again M1 not fourth member, so second row M21 equal to what? Again positive, negative 1, again negative 1 into A21 means this minor of this number A21. Here is also we find this A21. So A21 M22 equal to M22 again minus 1 become plus 1. So A22 again this M23 equal to, here is a positive, here is a negative. Alternate plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 into A23. Again last row M31 equal to minus 1 up plus 1 into A23. यहाँ पे आप क्या होगा A31 होगा, A31 means this is A31 minor of this number, minor of third row and first column number, so this is 2. Again we find this all values, also M31, also M32 equal to what? Again negative plus 1, again minus 1 into minor of this number A32 means capital A32. Again 3 3 last number equal to minus 1 plus 1. Here is a 1 positive 1 into a 3 3 means here is a numbers are positive 1 negative 1 positive 1 negative 1 positive 1 negative 1 positive 1 negative 1 last positive 1. So only attach the sign means plus minus plus minus plus minus sign attached to the actually minus you get the values of cofactors of 3 by 3 determinant. So what we get here is a a11 what is the value of a11? Here is a minus 2. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Here is a minus 1 into a12 means what is a12? 4. So 4 plus 4 become minus 4. Here is a 1 into a13. What is a13? Minus 5. So minus 5 into 1 minus 5. So that number as it is. a21 into minus 1 means negative. a21 what? a21 3. So 3 but here is a minus, so negative. Plus 3 become minus 3. Here is a a22 minus 6 but here is a plus 1, so minus 6 as it is. Here is a a23 means here is a a22 minus 6, so a23 is what? a23 means second row third number what? Minus 2. So minor of minus 2 what? Delete row and column. So 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Only minus 1. So here is a23. a23 is minus 1. Minus 1 into this minus 1 plus 1. So here is a due to minus sign, this minus 1 become plus 1 equal to this a31. a31 is a positive plus 1. So a31 what? a31 is a minus 12. So minus 12 as it is. No change in the sign of the minor of a31. Again same. Here is a minus 1 into a32. a32 means 7. So 7 into this minus 1 minus 7 means only change by sign. Here is a plus 7. We get here is a minus 7 equal to 1 into a33. 1 into a33. a33 means 4. 4 into 1 4. So in this manner we have find the minor and cofactors of all these two problems. So we discuss next concept, properties of determinant. So determinant has some properties. So first property, if rows and columns of determinant are interchanged, means first if we make the first row as the first column and first column as first row, then value of determinant remains unchanged. Means again suppose second row interchanged with second column, second row interchange with second column, in this manner. So we discuss this property by simple problem. What is a property? Again listen. If rows and columns of determinant are interchanged, means row and column are interchanged, then value of determinant remains unchanged, means change nahi hogi. For example, suppose we take determinant of 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. We take the determinant of this we find the value of this determinant. So what is the value of this determinant? Equal to, so here is we select only first row for expanding this, because this is 3 by 3 determinant. So 1 into minor of this 1. So what we get? Delete row and column passing through this number 1. So what we get? 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1 equal to what? 1 into bracket 1 into 1 1 minus 0 into 0 0 1 minus 0 1 and 1 into 1 1. So this is a value of this determinant 1. But we want to check this also. If rows and columns of this determinant interchanged, what happen? Suppose this first row become first column and first column become first row, what happen? We check. So first row become first column, so what? 1 0 0 and this first column become row, so 1 0 0 1 already 0 0 and remaining numbers as it is 1 0 0 1. So what happen? Here is the same determinant and already value of this determinant is obtained. What value? 1, and therefore no change in the value if row and column interchanged. Also we discuss same example for verify this property also. What property given? If any two rows or columns of determinant are interchanged, then the value of determinant changes by sign only. Means अगर फर्स्ट रो सेकंड रो बना या जाए और सेकंड रो फर्स्ट रो बनाएंगे तो जो वैल्यू आएगी डिटरमिनेंट की वो ओनली चेंज बाय साइन, वैल्यू इज सेम बट ओनली चेंज बाय साइन. अगर आप थर्ड रो इंटरचेंज विथ फर्स्ट रो देन ऑल्सो हैपन सेम. So we verify this property by this simple example. So what example? Determinant of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 equal to 1, and we interchange the row. We interchange first row R1 with the second row R2. And we discuss what happened. So determinant of this second row become first row. So first row is 0 1 0, second row 1 0 0 1 0 0 and the last row 0 0 1 equal to, here is already 0 0, so we only want to take the minor of this number. Here is also, listen carefully, here is already 0 0, so we cannot take the minor of these two numbers, because minus 0 into minor of 0, so 0 into any number 0, again plus 0 into any number is 0, so only we tell the 1 into minor of 1. Also here is a same, here is a 0, so 0 into minor of this 0 0 minus this 1 into minor of 1. Minor of 1 means what? Delete row and column passing through this number. So what happened? So only remaining 1 0 0 1, only remaining 1 0 0 1. So what happened? Equal to minus 1 into bracket 1 into 1 1 minus 0 into 0 0. So 1 minus 0 what? 1 minus 0 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So this is answer minus 1. This is answer plus 1. Only answer change by minus sign. Only answer change by minus sign. Also we discuss remaining properties. Remaining 4 properties of determinant also will verify in detail. So third property, if any 2 rows or columns of determinant are same, then value of determinant is 0. Again listen carefully. If any 2 rows or 2 columns of determinant are same, then the value of determinant is 0. So we verify this property by simple problem. Suppose example, suppose this determinant 1 0 0. Here is what? If any 2 rows or columns of determinant are same. So suppose 1 0 0 1 0 0. These 2 rows are same, and this is the third row 1 1. These 2 rows are same, so we discuss the determinant. So what is the determinant? So 1 into minor of this one. So what? Delete column and row passing through this number. So what remaining? Determinant of 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, and here is already 0 0. So 0 into its minor, again 0 0 into its minor, again 0, because 0 into any number is 0, or 0 into any term is 0. So remaining 2 terms are 0. So equal to 1 into 0 into 1 what? 0 into 1 0, minus 0 into 1 0, equal to 1 into bracket 0 minus 0, again 0, and 0 into 1 0. So if 2 rows or 2 columns are same, then the value of determinant is 0. Again we discuss this property. If each element of row or column of a determinant is multiplied by constant k, then its value gets multiplied by same constant k. Same constant k. For example, suppose a determinant 1 0 0 0 1 0, and last row is 1 1 1. If if in this determinant, suppose third row multiplied by 3, third row multiplied by 3. So what happened? What is the determinant? 1 0 0 0 1 0, and third row 3 3 3. So this determinant multiply the row of this third row multiplied by 3 of this determinant. So can the also value of determinant is multiplied by 3? So we check by this finding these 2 values, means these 2 determinant. So what is the determinant of this value of this determinant? Here is a 1, here is a 0 0. So 0 0 0 0 into minor, again 0 0 into minor, again 0. So only 1 gives the value. So 1 into minor of this one, what? 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 equal to what? Equal to Here is again, listen carefully. This here is a 0. Here is a 0. So 0 into any minor means any term 0. 0 into minor of this 0 means any term 0. So only we take the 1. So 1 into minor of 1. What? Minor means delete row and column. So remaining 1 0 1 1. So here is a taken. So again 1 into 1. 1 into bracket 1 into 1 1 minus 0 into 1 0 equal to 1 minus 0 1 and 1 into 1 1. So determinant is 1. Again we find the determinant of this. Again we find the determinant value of this determinant. So again same happen. Here is a 0 0. So minor multiply by this 0 0 again 0. So only we take the minor of this 1. So 1 into minor of 1. So what? Delete row column passing through this. What happened? Remaining 1 0 3 3. So determinant of 1 0 3 3. So what remaining? 1 into 3 3 means 1 into bracket 3 minus 0 into 3 0 and 1 into 3 minus 0 what? 3 equal to 1 into 3 what? Again 3. Here is the value 1, here is the value 3 means 3 into 1 means 3 into actually 1 means 3 times this row. 3 into 1 3 times the number of this 1 3 into 1 is the determinant value of this determinant. So 3 times 1 means k times 1. If each element of any row or column of a determinant is multiplied by constant k, then its value gets multiplied by same constant k. So that this is k. This is k multiplied to this row. Okay. Also we discuss this remaining two properties. What properties? If each element of row or column is expressed as a sum of two numbers, then determinant can be expressed as sum of two determinants. Sum of two determinants means suppose we discuss these properties by using simple problems.